KGUN 9 on your side first warning weather with Chief Meteorologist Erin Christiansen.
Okay, live look outside. We're seeing a few clouds here just to our south, but they're not the kind that are going to be bringing us any rain here this evening. In fact, all is quiet on the home front. Check out what we're working with at Tucson's airport. Fairly stable air, 99 degrees, clear skies, dew point at 46 degrees. There's a big difference between that 46 and this 99, so very little chance for any rain. Our humidity, another one of those measurements of moisture, also quite low at just 16%. Our temperatures across southern Arizona, 98 Safford, 86 Wilcox, 99 at this hour in Tucson. But we did top out at 100 degrees this afternoon as the triple digits you will soon see in the 7-day are making a comeback. So it's really just the southeast corner of Cochise County where we're watching for the potential of storms to move in. A little bit of rain moving in from northern Sonora, and it's tracking to the northeast very, very slowly. So Douglas, you could see some rain, even some heavy rain that brings on some flooding. The rest of southern Arizona will stay quiet overnight. In fact, most of Arizona staying quiet. We're not even seeing any storms really across the northern portion of the state. And that's because Arizona finds itself flanked between two different areas of pressure. We have the low to our west, we have the high to our east, the clockwise flow around the high, the counterclockwise around the low, bringing on a dry southwesterly flow. This is not one that's necessarily conducive for thunderstorms, at least for the southern part of the state. So with that in mind, we don't have a chance for rain in tonight's forecast. We'll stay mostly clear, a low of 76 for Tucson, 51 for Mount Lemmon, and then tomorrow still mostly sunny. You'll see a few clouds out there, but 103 our high as we dry out. We have a tendency to warm up, and that will be the case. Temperatures stretching from 100 to 105 across southern Arizona. You'll be at 92 for Oracle, 95 tomorrow in Wilcox, 93 Nogales, Marana at 104. Yeah, you're seeing those triple digits creeping back in, aren't you? Oro Valley 101, the same for Green Valley, Casa Grande at 104. So since things are a little bit quiet here, I thought we'd track the tropics for you, always keeping an eye on the tropics. But Flossie and what is left of Dorian. Flossie is the one that's really making an impact on the Hawaiian island chain as it's tracking to the west. A big rainmaker. Check this out. The folks in Maui are preparing for some of the heavy rain. We're talking rainfall anywhere from 5 to 12 inches worth of rain. So folks there are stocking up on all the supplies that they'll need to kind of hunker down for the next couple of days. That's a good move to do that now. Back to the maps we take you. Some rainfall we're expecting across the Big Island there, up to 8 inches worth of rain in some places, maybe even above that in some of the inland areas. Also keeping an eye on Dorian, what is left, the remnants now of Dorian, just kind of a extra tropical low, but it could possibly redevelop. It's now sitting about 170 miles north of San Juan, Puerto Rico. And the reason we're keeping a very close eye on this for any redevelopment, if it does become a hurricane again, and this is possible, it will bring extremely heavy rain to the southern tip of Florida by Thursday. So keeping an eye on that for you. We'll let you know how that is tracking through the course of the week. Tracking our chance for rain. No rain tomorrow, 20% Wednesday. Expect the storms to return really in earnest the second half of the work week into the weekend. But look at our temps, 105 Wednesday. Once that moisture moves back in, though, we'll cool back down to the upper 90s.
You know, Thursday's the first day of school for TUSD. Zach goes to kindergarten. I know. I'll have to keep an eye on whether he's going to need like a little rain jacket or something when we could take him to school.
It is possible. That's right.
Okay, Erin.
You got to start thinking like that now.
I know.
Bus stop forecast for Jennifer Waddell.
I know. I can't believe it.